Hello, everybody. It's Jen with A-List Party Favors. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button right now before we start this video. Thanks for watching. Hello, everybody. I'm back with a quick tutorial. Not a tutorial, but I'm going to be showing you guys how I assemble these treats. I'm doing the Sesame Street party, and these are some chip bags that I already started making. The Lays, I put Lays chips inside. The Oscar the Grouch, I put popcorn inside. The red ones, Elmo, I put Doritos. The blue ones, I put cookies. And the regular bags here have Cheetos on there because they have the Cheetos label. But also this client ordered some Stax. Let me show you how it looks before. These are the Stax chips. So the client ordered some Stax chips. And these are how they look customized. So I'm going to be showing you how I do that here on this video. Fix the lighting for you guys. So these are the original Stax chips. These are cheddar. I have cheddar, sour cream, and original. And these are the customized paper that I've customized and put on top. So these papers that I printed out, the customized Lays Stax chips, are on legal size paper. So this is 11.5 by 14. Whatever paper you use is your preference. You can use paper. You can use full sheet labels. It's all up to you. Here I have some pre-cut already. And these are what I'll be applying to the Stax chips. So the only thing that you have to do is cut them. So if you're going to cut it, this is how I cut it. This is how I like to cut. I would use my cutter. And I'm going to cut one in to the end. So I cut it to the crease. And I'm going to turn the paper around, and I'm going to cut the ends off. So I've sliced it on both ends like so. Excuse my voice, I'm coming over a little cold. And then I still have this, and I'm just going to trim off a little bit. I'm just going to leave a little bit of white, and that'll be where my glue will lay on. Okay, so that's how you have it. So then these haven't been cut, but these have been pre-cut because I'm not going to do all of them on video. So the next thing you will do is just grab one of these and you just line it up. I'll have this template available for sale on my website so that if you guys want to purchase the template to make them for yourselves, you can. So I'm just going to line it up and make sure that it's lined up like so. And now just glue it. If you want to cut some more off, you can. If you don't want it to overlap that much, you just trim some off. So the next step I'm going to do is, I don't remove this because that's where I'm going to put my glue. I'm just going to lay some glue down on there. And again, I'm just going to turn it around to make sure that my front is lined up. And I'm just going to pull this side here that has the guide and lay it over the glue, like so. And I'm laying it flat to make sure it's secured. Any bubbles, I'm removing it. And I'm just going to put some glue on this end here. And then I'm going to lay that across and slide it to make sure that it's straight. And then boom, you have your customized Lays chips. Pull that to the side and let's do another one. You just make sure you guide it on there to make sure that it's on there correctly. However you want to lay it. And this one overlaps a little bit, so I'm going to cut some of it off. Just a bit. Do it again, like so. And then you just glue it down. So just add some glue. Now, if you don't want to go through this process of gluing it down, you can use sticker paper, but I have both. I have full sheet legal size paper and I have full sheet labels. I don't want to use labels. These are little kids. They're not going to really use this as a souvenir. They're going to look at it and they're going to open it up and eat the chips. Super cute. So this is very easy to do. It all depends on how much time you have. If you are in a rush, then I would advise you to use sticker adhesive paper so that you can just wrap it around and seal it. But if you do have time to spare and you want a clean finish and a clean look and you're not rushing, then use presentation paper, photo paper, whatever type of paper that you have available. Glossy paper, it's all up to you. Matte paper, it all depends on the look you're going for. Remember, you buy paper according to the type of printer that you have. Me, I have a laser printer, so I use laser paper. If you have an inkjet printer, use inkjet paper. Also, if you have the inkjet printer, photo paper looks great on inkjet as well. So I'm just going to grab another one, and I'm just going to continue doing this. Just going to cut a little bit off. This will be the last one I'll cut. So I can put this cutter so you guys can see. Excess paper. So it's here like this. I'm going to line it up like so to make sure that I have it positioned in the right spot. I'm going to lay it down. Add some glue. Like so. And then add glue to the other side. And boom. Line it up. And there you have it. These are super cute. Great new item. I believe I'm the first person to make these. I haven't seen these anywhere else. So if you want to buy the template, you can buy it off my website. It's partyfavors.com. Here's my website here. If you want to purchase these customized Lays Stax chips template, you can purchase it on my website. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys these chips. I'm just going to seal them. I already sealed the back. If you guys watch my YouTube videos, you know that I always seal one in first, let it dry, and then I go ahead and close the other end. So I made this customized chip bag for this client, and she asked can she get some of the chips with the characters on there, and I was like, sure, that's not a problem. So this is the Lay's chips, and we have Big Bird on there. Then we have Oscar the Grouch here. I'm just going to seal the bag. And I put popcorn in there, Smart Food popcorn. And all of our chips are intact inside. I do not open the chip bags inside. So once they tear this special paper that's on there, they have the chips that are intact inside of the packaging. So nothing is open. Guaranteed freshness. Those are the Oscar chips. These are the Elmo chips. Super cute. Just seal that right up. Like so. And if you wanted to trim the ends, you can. Or crimp them with the crimper, you can. It's all up to your liking and your preference. You can do all of those steps. Me, I like the classic look, so I don't really crimp the ends. It depends on what the item is, but I don't do it all the time. What else we have? We have the Cookie Monster, and there's some famous Amos cookies inside of there. Super cute. I'm gonna seal this up. Remember, the glue gun is hot and you can burn yourself, so be careful. My glue gun, it has two settings. It has 60 volts and 100 volts. Right now it's on 60. When it goes on 100, it's really, really hot, and you definitely will burn yourself, like really will. Okay, and the last one we have here is the customized that goes with all of the other treats, with the customized Sesame Street theme with all of the characters that's on there, and the digital paper and everything to make it all customized. Super cute and adorable. This client got this order. She got it when we had our flash sale special, so she took advantage and got 8 items, which consists of 2 packages. So she has 8 total items. So here are her chip bags for Lamar. These are the customized chip bags here. Super cute. And then you have the Lays, the ones that I just made here on camera. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for some new videos. We have some awesome things that are happening in 2020. So make sure that you're subscribed to our website. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube. And make sure you're following us on Instagram. Our Instagram page is A-List Party Favors. And we have a lot of great things in store for 2020. So see you guys soon. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Here are some photos of the items that I made for the client. And after this little slide of all of the cute little party favors, you'll be seeing a short little video while I'll be explaining all of our new items. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys next time for our next video. Enjoy this Sesame Street theme. It was so cute and so cool to do. Enjoy the next clip. Hi, it's me, Jen, with A-List Party Favors. And I'm here showing you guys this little display table of some customized Sesame Street themed party favors that I made for a client. The reason I'm showing you guys this video is because this client actually picked out the majority of our new items that we did bring out recently. Most of our clients, they only order what they see online or on Instagram, and they always order the same things. But this client did take advantage of our new items that we have, and she did go ahead and purchase some of the new things. So I'm going to show you guys here all of the new things that she did purchase. She purchased our mini Oreos, and these are super cute. And these have the Sesame Street theme. It has the customized label on there with the lid. These are our Lays Stax chips. Oh my gosh, like I really love these. And I'm so glad that she chose to get these, because I was able to showcase these new items that I have on our website. Super cute. Great things to give out for a party. These are good for little kids, big kids. It's like a souvenir. They can keep it forever. We have some lollipops back here, super cute. Of course, we have our clients' favorites, the cotton candies with the matching tubes. Here we have a new item here, the sidewalk chalk, and it has a customized label in the front as well as the top. And these are a great souvenir. It has a little handle on there. You can take it with you. The clients can take it home. It's a great little gift for the kids. They can play with it, go to the park, play outside on the sidewalk. It's super dope. Here we have some customized chips. We have Elmo. We have Cookie Monster. We have the customized one with a theme. We have, what is his name? What is his name? Grouch, I believe. I forgot. Big Bird. And then we have some Tootsie Rolls bank, super cute. So this is the Tootsie Roll bank. You can put money in there. So after they eat the candy, it can be a little customized bank for the kids. And then back here we have some customized travel mugs. Look at that, super cute. It comes with 2 sheets in there. Let me go ahead and open it. Let me see if I can twist the cap open for you guys to show you. This is the mug. This is how it looks. They can take that with them. You can wash these. And it has 2 inserts in there for the kids to go ahead and design. Play tic-tac-toe, connect the dots, and they can write their name inside. It's super cute, and you can customize it, and I love them. And she did take advantage of the customized mugs, have multiple colors, and I just love this whole setup. I love this theme. I love making this for the client. So you guys can always purchase all of these items on our website, alistpartyfavors.com, and you can go ahead and order the new items that we have as well. Like I said, this is the design mugs. We have the Tootsie Roll banks, the sidewalk chalk here, cotton candy tubes, lollipops, the Lays Stax chips, the Oreo cups, and of course our customized chip bags. Super cute. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.